Hi there. So here we have a few great yoga poses and techniques to really help energize your children, maybe on an afternoon where they're feeling tired and flagging, or maybe first thing in the morning where they're still feeling a little bit sleepy and you want to try and wake them up and get them going for their day ahead. So come on to knees or any comfortable seat for your kids. Hands onto your legs. We're going to do the lion breath. We're going to take a big breath in and then a long breath out, sticking out your tongue, big eyes. Ready? Do a couple more. One more, nice big roar. Great, so about 3 lion breath is great. From there, we'll take some side stretches. That could be cross-legged or on your knees. One arm all the way up, go over to the side. All the way up with the other arm, over to the side. And you could keep switching, making these nice side stretch movements. Just checking in with your kids that they're keeping their bottoms on the floor. And then maybe on the last couple, you could just linger there. Get them to notice what they feel. Can you feel a nice stretch? How does that feel? Never holding anything for too long, though. And then from there, coming into a little froggy squat. And they can find some movement in their frog squat. If they want, they could take a frog jump and making sure you have enough space. So 1, 2, 3, all the way up, reach, and all the way back down. 1, 2, 3, boing, all the way up and all the way down. Now, obviously, maybe they are actually little frog. They are jumping nice and high. You could just keep your toes on the floor and mimic a jump if you like. From there, coming all the way to stand. So we're getting the blood moving, the body energized. From here, standing, let's step 1 foot back to a nice comfortable stance. Front foot forwards and the back foot just slightly out to the side. Like what we know as a warrior 1, I tend to call it a hero pose with the kids. And just remember with our kids, the pose will be shorter, higher up, so it's more stable. So it's just a little bend in that front knee. Reach the arms up. And just take a nice big breath. So 2 or 3 breaths in your hero. Now keep the front foot stuck and we'll open to the side. So turning the back toes out more to the side, stretching the arms out. Reach the front arm up and just a little bit back. So again, not a very deep pose. This looks like our warrior, our reverse warrior. But just keep it nice and small. Nice little side stretch. And then coming out, hop to the top. Other side, hero, reach, big breath. And then open to our surfer or warrior. And reaching up with the top arm. Keep their feet firmly stuck. Well, we can say that to them. Keep your feet firmly stuck. And then hop back to the top. Finishing up here, coming back down to the ground, seated, cross-legged or on knees. One last breathing technique that I love called the bunny breath. So it's going to be 3 quick breaths in and a long one out. And you could do that for 3 to 5 rounds. After that, short sequence of poses. They will probably be much higher in energy, but also using those breathing techniques, actually quite calm at the same time. As we know, yoga has this amazing ability to balance and regulate our nervous system and our energy levels. So give those poses a go with your kids. Let me know how you get on. And do head over to classyoga.com to check out our training course and our school resources. Take care. See you soon.